Welcome to the world of home-based income opportunities, where the scope to earn from the comfort of your living room has never been more accessible. Today, we delve into the fundamentals of home profit systems, an arrangement that empowers individuals to generate income by leveraging internet resources and personal skills. We'll explore how these systems function as a bridge between your talents and the global market demand. Whether it's through providing services, creating content, or selling products online, home profit systems offer versatile pathways tailored to fit varied skill sets and interests. Dive into the dynamic world of freelancing from home, where freedom meets opportunity. This segment helps you navigate the best platforms tailored for freelancers, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Learn how to create an appealing profile that stands out. We provide essential tips on crafting a compelling bio, selecting a professional photo, and showcasing your best work to attract potential clients. Moreover, we offer practical advice on how to effectively bid on projects, communicate with clients, and secure your initial engagements in the competitive freelancing marketplace. Embark on a journey into the world of e-commerce with a focus on selling products online through popular platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. We'll guide you through selecting the right platform that aligns with your product type, whether it's handmade crafts, art, or unique goods. Learn the essential steps to get started, from setting up your online store, crafting a compelling product listing, to understanding the nuances of pricing and shipping. Additionally, we cover how to effectively market your products to reach wider audiences and increase sales, turning your creative passion into a profitable venture. Transform your expertise into a profitable business by engaging in online tutoring and creating courses. Platforms like Udemy provide a marketplace for your courses, allowing you to reach a global audience eager to learn. Begin by identifying your niche, then develop comprehensive, engaging content that includes videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources. For those inclined towards real-time interaction, offering tutoring sessions via Zoom can personalize the learning experience. We'll discuss techniques for effectively marketing your courses and tutoring services to maximize enrollment and retention, ensuring your knowledge translates into a successful online educational venture. Unveil the potential of affiliate marketing, a lucrative strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and audience. Next, partner with businesses that offer affiliate programs and choose products that resonate with your followers. We will guide you on setting up affiliate links and integrating them naturally into your content, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media. Learn essential strategies to drive traffic and conversions, such as optimizing content for SEO, leveraging social media, and employing email marketing to boost your affiliate success.